Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Microtouch Solo is probably one of the most convenient grooming tools out there, but like all tools, it needs maintenance. Today, we're diving into the world of replacement heads, the unsung heroes of a smooth, clean shave. We'll explore what makes these replacement heads essential, how to choose the right ones for your needs, and how to keep your Microtouch Solo performing at its best. Get ready to elevate your grooming game. Number 5. Microtouch Titanium Solo Replacement Blade. This is a replacement blade. It is designed specifically for the Microtouch Solo Titanium Hair Trimmer. This listing is just for the blade itself. Please note that this listing does not include the Microtouch Solo Titanium Body Hair Trimmer. You will only receive the replacement blade. Make sure you have the trimmer before purchasing this. This blade is a perfect fit for your Microtouch Solo Titanium. It ensures a close and comfortable trim. Keep your trimmer performing at its best with this replacement. The item package weight is only 0.56 ounces. It's easy to handle and install. It is a convenient and essential accessory for your grooming needs. Replacing the blade is simple and quick. It helps maintain the trimmer's performance. Keep it in good condition for a better experience. What we like. This is a direct replacement blade, ensuring a perfect fit for your Microtouch Solo Titanium. It's designed specifically for this model, guaranteeing optimal performance. If you're looking to maintain the original shaving experience of your Microtouch Solo Titanium, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The battery life is impressive, and the handle is easier to grip, making it perfect for detailed work. The trimmer is also very safe to use with no nicks or cuts, which is a big plus. It gets close enough to your skin, and it has never cut me. Number 4. Solo Trimmer Replacement Cutter Head, Pack of 6. This replacement head trims, edges, and shaves any length of hair. It's designed for a smooth and comfortable experience. Get ready for a clean and precise shave. Each razor head lasts up to 6 months, providing great value. For the best results, it's recommended to shave twice a week. Actual results may vary depending on usage. The rotating double-sided blade adjusts to the contours of your face. This allows it to easily reach those tricky spots. It ensures a close and comfortable shave every time. Made with rust-resistant stainless steel, this head is built to last. You can easily clean it with water. This makes maintenance simple and convenient. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any issues, please contact us. We offer refunds or replacements to ensure you are happy with your purchase. What we like. These replacement heads offer a long-lasting solution, with each head potentially lasting up to 6 months. The double-sided blade design allows for easy angle adjustment, ensuring a close shave. If you're looking for a cost-effective and versatile option that's easy to maintain, consider these replacement heads. What people say. Excellent replacement cutting head. Perfect replacements for a very dependable razor. Number 3. LinMei Solo Replacement Heads and Charger. This replacement head and charger cord are designed for the Microtouch Solo Men's Electric Shaver and Trimmer. It comes with cleaning brushes to help you maintain the shaver and charging cord. The blade is made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring it's rust-resistant and sharp for a smooth shave. The open-type back net makes it easy to clean, and the rotating double-sided blade adjusts to your face's contours. With a glide coating and rounded tips, it protects your skin from scratches. It's also quieter, providing a more comfortable shaving experience. You can use it for trimming, edging, and shaving. The replacement charger cord has a built-in pure copper conductor for fast charging. The outer layer is safe and reliable, ensuring the maximum charging speed without damaging your shaver. The charger cord has an anti-fold design for durability and easy daily use. It's easy to carry, and you can charge it anywhere with a USB port, such as a computer, power bank, or car. What we like. This set includes not only replacement heads but also a charging cable, providing a complete solution. The skin-friendly design with rounded tips ensures a comfortable shave, minimizing irritation. If you are looking for a convenient package with both replacement heads and a charger, this is a great option. What people say. Perfect for what it was purchased for. Does exactly what is needed. It fits great, hoping it will stay that way. These are better than other replacement shaver heads I have tried for my older model Solo. This is a great tool if you have a beard. It gets nice and close. Better than a blade. Number 2. Microtouch Solo Replacement Head and USB Charger. This replacement head and charger are perfectly compatible with your Microtouch Solo men's electric shaver and trimmer. The included cleaning brush helps you maintain the shaver and charger. The charger cable features a pure copper conductor for fast and stable charging. It's wrapped in safe, environmentally friendly PVC material. The shaver head uses rust-resistant German stainless steel blades. The charger cable has an anti-fold design for increased durability, protecting your charger. The shaver head is completely safe to the touch, ensuring zero skin irritation. You can charge it using various USB devices, making it perfect for home or travel. It's an ideal choice for those who shave daily, allowing you to shave actively in the morning. We offer a no-reason return and exchange service. If you're not satisfied, please contact our team. We are here to help you. What we like. This product comes with a USB charger, making it convenient for charging on the go. The charging cable is designed for durability, ensuring a long lifespan. If you travel frequently or need a reliable charging solution, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Perfect for what it was purchased for. Does exactly what is needed. It fits great, hoping it will stay that way. These are better than other replacement shaver heads I have tried for my older model Solo. This is a great tool if you have a beard. It gets nice and close. Better than a blade. Number 1. LinMei Solo Replacement Head and Charger. This replacement head and charging cord are designed for the Microtouch Solo shaver. They are also compatible with the micro trimmer. This ensures you can keep your grooming routine consistent. The package comes with 2 cleaning brushes. These brushes help you maintain the replacement heads and the charging cord. This ensures the longevity and performance of the product. The charging cord features a pure copper conductor for fast and stable charging. The outer layer is made of safe and durable PVC material. This design ensures both safety and longevity. The replacement heads use German stainless steel blades for a close shave without irritation. The glide coating and rounded tips protect your skin. You can enjoy a comfortable shaving experience. The shaver can be charged via various USB devices, such as wall chargers, laptops, and power banks. This makes it perfect for home or travel use. It's an ideal choice for daily use. We offer a no-reason return and exchange service. If you're not satisfied with the product, please contact our team. We are here to help you. What we like. This set includes a charging cord, offering a complete package for your shaving needs. The blades are designed for a safe and irritation-free shave, ensuring a comfortable experience. If you are looking for a convenient and safe shaving experience, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Perfect for what it was purchased for. Does exactly what is needed. It fits great, hoping it will stay that way. These are better than other replacement shaver heads I have tried for my older model Solo. This is a great tool if you have a beard. It gets nice and close. Better than a blade. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.